Hello everyone and welcome back to another demonstration video from Millennium Group. Today we will be showing the basic Millennium components, best wiring practices, and best upgrade practices to the new Millennium Ultra software. We have four main components of a Millennium system: the software, the site controller, the door controller, and the reader. When wiring the site controller to the door controller via RS-485, we do suggest the daisy chain wiring pattern over the star pattern. When doing an Ultra upgrade, please give us the database at least one business day before going on site to finish the install. Reason being, when going on site, you will install the software, license it, then restore the newly converted database and connect the existing hardware to the software. If you have any questions, please contact technical support, or for any upgrade inquiries, please contact customer service at mgiaccess.com. Thank you for watching once again.